In our journey so far, we've discovered that the universe has an indestructible hard drive that records all of our physical actions. But that brings us to the ultimate, most personal question. What about you? When a person's physical body eventually breaks down and fails, what happens to the I inside of it? Jewish sources are now pointing to a breathtaking reality that completely aligns with modern science. Your soul, your Neshama, is essentially indestructible divine information. Rabbi Aryeh Kaplan, who was both a brilliant theoretical physicist and a profound Torah scholar, tackled the question of what survives death by using a perfect modern analogy. He explained that your physical body is merely the hardware, is just a local, temporary terminal. The real you, your personality, your memories, your specific drives, and your choices is the software. According to the deepest laws of quantum physics, a complex information pattern cannot simply vanish from existence. When a computer terminal breaks, the data isn't lost if it has been backed up. Because Hashem is the ultimate knower, he holds the master file of every single individual's information. Death is simply the destruction of the physical hardware, but your data is perfectly and permanently kept safe in the ultimate central cloud, the divine mind, or the book of remembrance. And this backup is astonishingly detailed. You might think, okay, my big actions are recorded, but what about my private fleeting thoughts that I never spoke out aloud? The Tanya, the foundational text of Chabad Hasidism, authored by the Alter Rebbe, teaches clearly that no thought is ever lost. Every single thought you have forms the spiritual letters that are permanently engraved into the spiritual atmosphere. This perfectly aligns with the quantum no-hiding theorem, which proves that even unexpressed internal states alter the quantum fabric of the universe and can never be completely hidden or destroyed. Dr. Edward Schifrin, a contemporary thinker, takes this even further by comparing the moment of death to falling into a black hole. Think about it. To an outsider, like a grieving family watching at a funeral, the physical body decays into the chaos and its entropy maximizes. But from the perspective of the soul, actually crossing that final event horizon, the core information is perfectly conserved. The soul simply transitions from being localized in a 3D physical body to becoming an indestructible, low-entropy packet of pure data safely resting in the higher spiritual realms. So if your software is permanently preserved in the cosmic cloud, what happens at the end of history? Can that divine data ever be downloaded back into a physical form? In our next video, we're going to look at the legendary loose bone and discover how the ultimate miracle, the resurrection of the dead, is actually the universe's ultimate process of information recovery.